Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi.
What is good, T gang? It is your girl T. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, then smash the subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notifications to get notified every time I post a video, baby. So I just thought I should quickly show you guys my skincare routine. As you can see, those who have been watching my videos from the very beginning, I mean my day ones, they know that my skin has been very problematic, and as you can see, I can see it has quite improved very well. So I thought I should take you guys through my skincare routine. I use Gentle Magic products, and let's get down into the video. So first of all, I apply my Gentle Magic face mask. I apply this face mask at least once a week, so weekly I apply it once. So today it is Wednesday, and I apply it each and every Wednesday of the week. So this face mask helps you with impurities and the other blemishes that the liquid cannot actually help you with. So you use the face mask for that. So you leave this face mask for 20 to 30 seconds on. So I'm gonna leave this on for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna wash it off after 30 seconds. I'm going to be timing myself. I'm trying to track. Guys, who else is very energetic in the morning? Because I am so energetic in the morning. I don't even know why, but I'm so energetic in the morning, guys. Let's put it back there. So 30 seconds is up, guys, so I'm just gonna quickly wash off the face mask. I just washed off the face mask. So guys, be careful, don't be rough with your skin. So when I'm wiping it off, I just dab a bit onto the skin. Don't be like, you know, just nicely. Yeah. Then I will wash my face with the Gentle Magic soap. So guys, this is the soap that I use 2 times a day, in the morning and at night. So as you can see, it's already almost finished. I've been using it a lot. So you just wash your face. I put it on my towel, and then I just, you know, I'm gentle with my face. I don't really scrub too much. So Now after washing my face, I then take the lotion, which you should use every day, and I use it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening before I sleep. I apply it with cotton wool. Some people, however, do prefer putting it on their hands and then just like applying it as if it is lotion, but I prefer using cotton. Then I just pour on the cotton. And change the wipe. Now this lotion is really strong. To some people, they actually say it burns them. I know of people who have used Gentle Magic before and actually stopped because apparently it was burning them a lot. Well, for me, it makes me lighter. Actually, it's the opposite, and it takes care of the acne, the impurities, blemishes, anything of that sort. Don't forget your neck. Right. And let it dry a bit. And with me here I have the serum and the cream and the serum, right? So how I use it is I use the serum because my skin is really dry, and especially during the day it's really dry. So when I put the cream on, it makes it extra dry. The cream makes it extra dry, and I don't want that during the day. So during the day I use the serum because it doesn't make my skin too dry, and then at night I apply the cream. So it's during the day now I'm going to apply my serum. Just a bit. Okay. And there you have it, guys. That is my Gentle Magic skincare routine. So if you're coming past this channel for the very first time, then please give me a subscribe. And then if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like the video, share it with your family and friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.